Why, hello there, astronauts and terranauts alike. Shams Nelson here from Fantastic Anatomy. And I don't think you're ready for this episode of Fantastic Anatomy because we're about to break ground in the world building dimension. And you guys are going to be here to watch it happen or watch me fail miserably because I haven't even tried this. This is only a glimmer of an idea. So let's launch Google Earth. What we're going to be doing is we're going to be doing some photo bashing. No, what is it? Google Earth photo bashing map making technique. All right, let's just start. Let's just zoom in somewhere. Let's zoom in right there. You know what? Let's get some coastals. We're not going to be picky because all the Earth is beautiful. You'll see what we're going to be doing right here in a minute. If my computer can handle the extraordinary power of Google Maps. But you don't know what photo bashing is. Photo bashing is an illustration technique in which you use photographs to add texture, to embellish your illustration, even to use like an actual building, but then make it look like it's illustrated with the rest of your illustration. So it's basically combining illustrations and photographs. Oh man. I guess I can show you a sneak peek of the Southlands, but if this is Jordan, Nubra, Connor, or Daniel, then you're not privy to this information. Alright, we're gonna give Google Earth one more chance. Come on, Google Earth, you can do it. This is a text message based world building game, I suppose you could call it. I don't even know what it is. It's like a thought experiment, but it's very complex world that's being built, and this is just like in the probably the early classical era, late Neolithic, early classical. So you can see that there's still a lot of open space. But my plan is to continue building this world like this. The gnomes, the harpies, the half orcs, and the moonlings are all player character races, and the rest are NPCs. And so by text, I've been asking them what decisions they'll make and what kind of culture and they'll develop and where they want to expand and stuff. So this doesn't seem to be working. Let's try if it's maps. Perhaps it'll be the Google Maps photo bashing world building method. Or perhaps it will be my internet sucks. No photo bashing. No world building method. Alright, last try. Last try, you guys. Are we breaking ground today? Are we doing it? I mean, I don't know. I'm asking you. Alright, apparently we're not supposed to go to Africa. Maybe I'll type something in here. Let's go to the Bahamas. Sounds chill. Wow. Glorious. Alright, so what we're going to do now is, can I make this little thing disappear? Good. We're just going to go Command Shift 4 if you're on Mac, or you're doomed if you're on PC. I don't know how to take it's like print screen, and then you have to like paste it in Microsoft Paint. Alright. Oops. Oh, I just tried to command paste. Oh no, I'm such a fool. That would actually have been easier. Look at me eating my words. Dang, PC users, you guys are a cruel and heartless community. Alright, so let's do that. And you know what? Let's just flip it upside down. What? What's up with Florida? No, just relax, everyone. You guys are way too... You know what? Now, what do you say about that? I told you to relax, and you kept freaking out, and then I made it on a tilt. Alright, but we're not done yet. We're not done yet. Are we done yet, Watson? No, sir. Not quite. Correct. What? Holly. Oh, this area has some interesting geography. But let's zoom in closer this time. No, zoom in closer. I don't know why I'm talking this way with this cadence. You know, you guys should start YouTube channels, and I feel like after long enough, you'll start like making up a character who you are on this. It is. It's like a version of you. If you slowly started losing your mind. All right. All right. Good job. Now you understand the secrets of Valhalla. Boom, like that. And look what we're gonna do. We're gonna set this to multiply, divide, and conquer. Multiply, add, subtract, multiply, divide. Maybe make them lighter. Alright, I've seen some interesting shapes there. I think I'm gonna grab one more. One more. I'm having too much fun here. Where's another place? Let's go to my homeland. Let's go to Nubia. Let's get some Nubian desert up in there. Where are we at? Nubia, Mongolia. So we're gonna keep moving this way, assuming this thing is still. Oh, we got India. Okay, so we gotta move up this way. This thing's on a tilt now. Where we go? Here we go. All right. This is where my mama was born. Where is it? Oh no. All right, take a screenshot, quick, quick. Boom. We're out, and you get out. This is Ocean's 14, baby. This is Ocean's 14. Maybe that's why they stopped the franchise. Actually, because also the 13 one wasn't good. But really, I mean, come on. Alright, so let's see. I want to keep this. What can I do here? Let's not be picky. We'll figure it out. We'll figure it out. Okay. So now we've done a little bit of photo bashing. Alright, the photos have been bashed. I think we can all agree on that. Now the one thing is I don't like how there's this line here. So can we move something so that it lines up like that maybe? Then we can just have this go off like that. Okay, cool. And this can be a sliver of land. Alright, so I'll show you what I was thinking and we'll see if this works out. I don't think we'll do the world building. We'll just do the map making for this. And then maybe in another episode, upcoming episode, I'll do some world building on this because I don't want to. I want to have a cup of tea soon. And world building, man, it sucks you in. It gets deep. I'm not ready to go that deep yet. Okay, let's put these all in a group. We'll call it group 1. It's a superior name for a group. Lower the opacity just like such. We're going to go to layer 1. And I'm going to use the new... Oh, I don't have it here. Let's go load brushes. Try something a little different. I like this K and Kale guy. Have you seen the K and Kale show? If you're an illustrator, you should check it out. Is this it? No, wait. Load brushes. Where are you, man? Where are you, bro? K and KL. Is this the essentials? Essential. Okay, open. Alright. Did it just append it? Alright, cool. This is the one he always uses, but for illustration. Let's try it out. Okay. So you know what? I'm not going to embellish too much because this is the Earth. And if I think I can do a better job creating a world than the Earth did, I've got another thing coming. Alright, and then we're going to have like a random desert here. We're going to have a north flowing river so that everyone hates me. Right here, I'm not sure what we'll do. Okay, I'll just kind of follow this off. You know what? Let's put an island here. See an island here? An island up here. So if you haven't figured it out by now, we're photo bashing this baby. We're photo bashing this world together. And we'll see at the end if it looks like a reasonable world or if it looks insane. Because I did switch everything around and mix geography. So it might lose the naturalistic feel. But my guess is it's going to feel more naturalistic than like what you could come up with in your own mind. And the other question is, will this feature, like this Sinai area is a pretty recognizable feature. Or should we not have noise? Let's not put rivers in. Or because I can't do that method right now. So look at this. We're just gonna have this kind of come up here and act like this is like a long peninsula, and then, you know what? Let's feed it into this somehow. With this going on. I think that's underwater, but that'll be cool. Alright, and then we got this piece jetting out. And maybe we'll keep it unconnected so that we can just so that it stays on the map. Okay, I'm seeing some cool shapes that I'm liking. I'm hoping it comes through. Looks like we got something here. Oh man, I can't wait to see this when it's done. I'm in like zoom in mode because I don't want to ruin the surprise for myself. So I'm trying not to look at the big picture. I kind of like that. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Vroom. Pam pam pam. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, dun, dun. Baloo, 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 dun, 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 dun. Dun, dun, dun. Coat. Yeah. Are you ready for this, you guys? Oh no. Oh yeah. Alright. Alright. Take a breath. This is pretty crazy, you guys. This is pretty crazy. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna shade in the sea. I'm not sure if this worked or not. I'm not sure yet. But just because it didn't work for me doesn't mean it's not gonna work for you. You gotta believe, alright? You gotta free your minds from the shackles of inner slavery. None but ourselves can free our minds. Are you aware of this? Alright, relax. It's gonna be alright, you can figure it out. You're young. Or are you? You never know what's gonna happen, man. Don't take your life for granted. I'm getting real on you right now. If you're free, if you're walking around, if you're breathing the air, if you can choose what you want to have for lunch, do not underestimate these wondrous things. Alright? Cool. Thanks, that's all. You just don't underestimate the wondrous things. Alright. I know you're like, wait a minute. Don't preach to me, boy. I'll go upside your head. And I said, whoa. Okay, I'm sorry. Am I making this more work than it's worth? I need to find out if this method works. Actually, I think the only way I can really know for certain is you guys let me know in the comments. But only after you've tried it, man. Don't be hollering comments at me like, yo, I'm a gnome. Like, what does that do for me? Very serious order of affairs. Alright, I just zoomed out with my eyeballs and I just realized I have way too much to do to continue with this pace. If you're still watching, I commend you. You, my friend, are a warrior of the mind. You're patient, you're strong. You know what, if you're a warrior of the mind and you're patient or you're strong, you know what, just let me know in the comments below. Give me your favorite warrior of the mind quote. And for all the people who didn't watch this far, they won't be in on this. on this madness I call an idea. Alright, I think we've done enough to determine. Okay. We haven't actually done enough to determine. I'm going to do it real sketchy like. Alright, we've almost done enough to determine if this method has produced an interesting landmass or if we are left with utter madness. I think we've been left with an interesting landmass. This is looking like the, what are we talking about here? This is looking like the Panama Canal. Like if there's a canal right here, imagine a civilization right here that controls the, oh my gosh, man, the power. Oh, the power. Oh, we're going to be doing some world building. We're going to be building us a Constantinople. We're going to be building this Sinai after they built the canal. We're going to be building us a Panama after they built the canal. All right? And that civilization is going to reign over these lands with an iron fist. And I think what we'll do is use the world building method that I use in my text message based world building RPG, which if you guys are really interested in, let me know, because I would love for you guys to be playing it with your friends. And it's really rough right now. Like the rules are, there's a lot of imagination, but there is a fair amount of dice rolling too. I'll show you the spreadsheet document I have real quick. Alright, you guys, look at this. Wait a minute. It's too secret for you to handle. Alright. It's too secret for you to handle. It's not a spreadsheet. It's just a document. It probably should be a straight spreadsheet, actually. Alright, I think that's it for today. So you guys let me know if the Google Earth photo bashing world building method was a success or a failure. And join me next time. Hit the subscribe button, which of course is Latin for red, or for touching red, and subscribe evolved into the English subscribe. And peace, God bless, and stay fantastic, everyone.